Hello guys, it's Martin here from Blackpool Automart. Got a lovely little Mazda 2 SKYACTIV here for a little manual transmission one. It's got lots of spec. It's got reverse camera, it's got nav, it's got Bluetooth, it's got lovely diamond cut alloy wheels. There's not a mark on any of them because I did a sweep of the car before I came out. They're immaculate. There is a little scuff on the back bumper that we're going to sort out, but apart from that, the car is pretty clean for its age. It's 3 years old. It's a lovely car. It's just been caught there at the back. We're going to sort that for whoever buys it. That little mark on the arch, we'll get that in our body shop, get that painted. Parking sensors at the rear as well as a camera. Tinted rear windows. It's 5-door. Keyless entry. Press the button and the car opens. It's as straightforward as that. Lovely spec on these Mazdas. It's got cruise control as well. Bluetooth, like I say. Navigation, reversing camera. It's got a lot of spec. It's the manual petrol model. You can get a set of mats, which is good, unusual but good. Electric mirrors, electric windows. Lovely half leather, half suede seats with headrests. Height adjuster on the driver's side. No scuffs or tears, and I can honestly say it's not been a smoker. I smell it a mile away. Definitely hasn't been a smoker in this car. Isofix in the back. Nice spoiler on the boot there, as you can see. And decent sized boot in the back. And the seats do drop down at the back if that's if you want to carry something big. Tinted windows at the rear. Let's have a look inside the car quickly. While I'm inside the car, we'll tell you a little bit about our company. We're called the Cox Motor Group. We're part of a 16 dealership franchise. We've got dealerships in Kendal, Lancaster, Morecambe. Here at Blackpool, there's our flagship Honda dealer across the road. That's where the car came in, part exchange. We've got Seat dealers. We've got all makes. We've got all models. We sell all different. Sorry, I'll turn this down. Automart sell all makes and models, whereas our Honda dealer across the road, they only sell Hondas, and our Seat dealer behind me here, Blackpool Seat, they only sell Seats. So we get the part exchanges. There's the navigation up and running. She's a 5-speed manual. USB ports there and a 12-volt feed as well. It's got air conditioning. There's your Bluetooth answering. On the steering wheel on the left hand side if it decides to focus, and on the other side there's your cruise control. The ever important mileage on the car is very low on this vehicle, 15,647. It's great miles. That little blue light there is telling you the car isn't up to temperature, not up to temperature yet. That will go out when the car's at a certain temperature. And there's the fuel remaining in the fuel tank. That's unusual as well, getting that. And then it's also got a head-up display here. I don't know if you can see that. It gives you the mileage in that reflection there. I don't think you can see that actually. I don't know, you might be able to see it. It's flashing away on my screen, but that's the head-up display on the car as well. So all in all, lovely car. Its brain is here. You've got your home screen here. You press that and it brings all these little icons up, and you can flick around settings, entertainment, applications, communication. No phone paired, well we know that. So yeah, all nice seating, lovely leather dashboard there with the stitching, that looks really well. It's got full book pack and a locking wheel nut key. It's got fantastic service history as well, this car, but it's only done 15,000 miles, so it's really not really been anywhere, has it? We'll service some MOT before it leaves. I'll turn that off now. It's just a push button start there. That turns the car off. Everything switched off. Nip outside the car. I'll finish off out here. Press the button. The car locks. And that's it. You walk away from the car and the car locks itself. So there you go. 68 plate 2018 Mazda 2. It's the 5-door hatchback. Very low mileage, nice history, great condition other than that little bit at the back that I said we were going to sort out. That'll be all done. I think it's booked into our body shop actually at the moment. We do offer a delivery service on all our cars as well here at Blackpool Automart. It's £99, it's anywhere in the UK, just £99, and we do offer finance deals and we can settle current finance if you do have finance running on your current vehicle. The majority of the finance, if it's finance you want, can be done remotely. You don't need to visit us here in the branch. You can email us, or you can go onto our website, coxmotorgroup.com. Find us obviously at Blackpool, find the car, and you can also leave a reservation deposit. It's just £100. It takes the car off sale. It does stop anyone else purchasing the vehicle, and I get an email pinged to me when someone's purchased a car or reserved a car, and then it'll prompt me to call you. I'll be asking you 3 questions. One is, do you have a part exchange? How are you funding your vehicle? And do you want to take advantage of our £99 delivery service? So them are the sort of things I'll be asking you once you reserve the car. But if you do want to reserve it, you can call me at the branch. My name's Martin. You can get me on 01253 600 900, or you can go on to coxmotorgroup.com, go on to Blackpool, or find this Mazda and click the reservation button. It's entirely your choice. Anyway guys, that's it really. It's a 5-minute video. It's gone to 7 minutes, so I better finish now. That's the little Mazda 68 plate 2018. It's going to be serviced and MOT'd, and like I said, the paintwork on the back arch will be done as well. Any questions, give me a call. If you want any more videos, any more pictures, call me. 01253 600 900. Option 4 is Automart. My name's Martin. I'm the sales manager here. Take care guys. Speak soon. Bye for now.